Okay, so I have my site plan here, and I have now done my parking lot and everything else I want to do. And the last thing I should do after I have my parking lot and everything is I should put my library on here so that I can get some really nice pictures for my 3D pictures. So what I want to do is click my Link Revit. That's under the Insert tab here, and then Link Revit. And it's going to start like this. You have to go and find where your library file is. Yours should probably be in your folder, CEA, library, and be sure you pick the right library. This is mine. And it's going to just set the library down here in the middle of your site plan, and it may take a second for it to put it there. So the first thing I'm going to do is take it, and then, oops, not that, cancel. I don't want to move the site, I want to move the library. Okay, now I got the library. And when I click on it, you can see the outline of it, and I just want to line it up. Scroll in. Does it look like I'm lined up? Looks pretty good right there. And I'm setting it up on this site pad that's already set up there. Now I want to show you an elevation because the problem is my library is currently way down there. Because this is at an elevation of 788 and this is an elevation of 0, so there's our problem with that. So I need to get this up on top of the ground instead of way under the ground. So to do that, I'm going to use the Align tool, which is this one right here. And when I align it, I'm going to first click on this up here, and then this, and then I'll move it up. So the first thing is it's very hard to see which of these lines go with which of those, so I'm going to set the scale to 1 equals 40 for me to do this. 1 equals 40. And now it's easier to see. So that's the base of the footings on my site. And if I look down here at this, I can now see here's the base of my footing at this very bottom level of my actual picture. So I'm going to scroll up here. So I'm already hit, get this highlighted, hit Align. And first you want to hit this one to tell it where to align to. Then I need to go down here and get the base of the footing, which is this one. And it disappeared from there, and it's now popped up here. If I want to have a better chance of seeing it, I can hit Realistic, and it's still not going to show up on this elevation very well. But so let's go look at a 3D view. So I'm going to go back to my basic site plan, view. Let's make a quick camera angle of it. Let's say I want to look at what it looks like from this angle. And there's my 3D view. If I go Realistic, it puts in my dirt. I can see that I did in fact get it like sitting right there on top of the dirt, all nice and set. So now when I have my parking lot and my pretty trees and landscaping around it, it'll look great. Alright, that's all there is to putting a building onto your site plan. Thanks. Bye-bye.